Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Miata, and if you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be tinting with some Luminous Tint. And we have Sterling Silver. I'll open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Here is our Sterling Silver Tint. And my goal for today is to try and tint the driver's side and the passenger side today. And then if I have time, I want to get to the front windshield and get all that tinted up as well. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we have to get started. We come over here and we have our little utility belt I got off Amazon. So you don't need one of these, but I bought one just in case because I don't want to have to reach for stuff on the ground and whatnot. And then for our tools, here we have a squeegee out our stuff. We got a bigger squeegee right here for the front glass. Here is a carbon blade. This is for cutting your top edge on the car for the side windows. And this is a stainless steel blade for cutting and trimming to fit the film on the glass itself. You don't want to cut with a carbon blade because it could scratch your glass. Stainless steel blade would be preferred. That's what I've been learning. Some more stuff we have a glass scraper, so we'll be using that on the inside of the glass. So if there was any tint from someone who tinted the car previously, we can get all that glue off with this guy. Here we have some glass aid. This is gonna help trimming our front windshield and rear back glass tint. I'll show you guys how to do that. This is a felt card for shrinking. You can see I got it from Detroit Tint Studio. Here we have some more squeegees, some small ones, medium and big. This is a little gasket prior, so when you're trying to tuck your film into the bottom gasket, it makes it easier so you can pry it open with this. And then this is a little corner edge piece you can get into the side seals, so that way you can get all the debris and stuff out of there with this. And I also have these scrub pads because there's no telling how much dirt and debris is on this glass, so I want to clean it really well before I start to tint. And this is called cleaning pad, 5-pack cleaning pad, and I got that on Amazon as well. And as well, I took some notes. That's for the Honda. See, took some notes. Sorry if my handwriting is scrabbly. And there's some more. And then this is for the windshield and back glass, just so I can kind of keep up with what I'm doing and the steps I need to get the job done. It's going to be hard for me to film what I'm doing because I misplaced my head mount. Yeah, I'm gonna get started with cleaning the glass. I'm gonna spray it with some soapy water, and this just has Dawn dish soap inside of it. I put about 5 drops, so this should help us clean the glass really well on the inside and outside. Well guys, here's my tint job. It's yeah, it's not good at all. You can see all the little fingers I got on the inside. I tried to squeegee those out and heat gun it, but it wasn't coming. Or it could have been from when I didn't fully shrink film all the way. I'm really not sure what's causing those fingers. Anyway, I mean, cut it out pretty decently. I mean, I got it in there. It's just the fingers and stuff that kind of take away from it, but I'm very disappointed in myself. But at least I tried, right? But I think I'm gonna try it again and see what we can do. Well guys, I tried, but unfortunately doing it outside isn't really the best scenario, or how would I put it, the best place to tint, because you got the wind blowing, you can see all the grass blowing, trees are blowing, so it's not a good time. I'd have to put it in the shop in the back and try it like that. There's a lot of improvement learned on, but yeah, I think today is just not the day to do it because it's really windy. It would have been a nice day to get it tinted, but stuff happens. If you guys didn't know, I got some new glasses. I'm kind of really liking these, and this coming Thursday, I'll be getting top braces put on. You can see I got my adult canine sticking out, and then my baby tooth right there. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. That's it, guys. I'll pick it up tomorrow. Okay, guys, we moved the Miata in the garage. The Honda is now where the Miata is, and today is Sunday also, by the way. And this is my third time trying at the driver's side window, and I'd say it's pretty good for my first time. Still learning and figuring out some stuff, but it's not perfect, I will admit, but it does look a lot better than my other ones. You can see I still have some fingers. Trying to get all those out, but they do not want to make it easy to come out. So what I've been trying to do is heat it up a little bit and push it down with the squeegee. But yeah, you can see there's just a little bit imperfections right there in that corner. There's some fingers right there and along the bottom, but I mean everywhere else is fine. Everywhere else looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try a little bit more, try and get these fingers out, and then if I have enough tint, I'm gonna get this window done and then move on to the passenger side. Alright guys, so today's another day. We got more tint. I have to go grab it from the house, but we're going to try and tint the car today and leave it. What I mean by that is last time I tinted this car, I tinted the driver's side window, and I did not leave my last tint job on. It was a good tint job, don't get me wrong. Better than what I did before. I ripped it off and starting again because I think I can do better. It's been about 3 to 4 weeks since then. So right now I am taking off the door panel to make it a little bit easier to get the tint inside. You can see I have that door panel removed already. So we just need to remove the driver's side and we're done. Now, I am not a professional window tinter by any means, so if you guys have came here to learn from a pro, you're probably on the wrong video. But if you want to watch me struggle tint my first window, well, this really wouldn't be my first time, but you get what I mean. This will be maybe my 4th time tinting this window. Now, what really sucks are those small quarter windows. Those really suck. Found that out the hard way, but you live and you learn. I got some baby shampoo and some warm water. I got about 4 drops of this stuff in here. We're trying baby shampoo out, so hopefully that works well for us. You also want to clean around all the surrounding area. So I'm going to use the baby shampoo and the squeegee and possibly this guy. And I'm going to clean the inside and the outside of all the glass, just so that way I don't have to worry about it when I'm about to start tinting. gonna spray our window. Hopefully there's enough slip solution in there. Spray it up real good. And let's see. So this should be film side. So yeah, this side. Unroll it. Well guys, I got the passenger side window done, even though you saw me working on the driver's side. What happened was my liner was on the opposite side when I was applying it on the driver's. So then I couldn't stick it to that side because it'd just be backwards. So I just came over to the passenger side and stuck it on there, heat shrunk it, and it looks pretty decent for my 4th time. There are some little imperfections, but I'm not gonna worry about them. There's this, I don't know if you can see that, but there's that little crease right there. There's some other little creases down here from when the tint got binded up. But I mean, all in all, it looks good. So it's gonna stay on that window for about 2 days. And then hopefully I'm gonna finish that side and maybe do the windshield. We'll try it and see what happens. But it looks like there's still dirt on the windshield, but it looks clean. I don't know, but we're gonna do the windshield last. I did take out the rear view mirror, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna do the driver's side, finish that up, and these little windows I will try, but there's no promise that I'm gonna be able to tint that, because that's really difficult for me. Alright guys, the car is tinted. It took me about a day to do the front, the sides, and then the front windshield. And then I just now finished the quarter windows. So that's all done. So I'm super excited about that. I gotta put my rear view mirror back in, so I'm gonna be waiting on that. But yeah, now I just need to put the car in the sun and let it bake. so that tint can dry and the car is gonna be fully complete. Now guys, this tint job is not completely perfect. I'm not a professional by any means. My girlfriend did help me do the front windshield, so thank you, babe. But here's a little look at what the car looks like right now. That Sterling Silver Tint from Luminous Tints, and I'd say it looks pretty good from a little ways away. Now if you come up close, you know, there's maybe some little spots you can notice. Here in the front windshield we got some fingers. I just couldn't get those to lay down. There's a little bit of bubbling around, but I mean, for my first job, it's not bad. That's her right there. So we're gonna let the car bake in the sun for a little while. Well, then I gotta get ready and go to work. So we did good. I got everything complete on time like I wanted to. So now we just need an alignment, and that's pretty much it. Here's another look of the car, guys. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see some more content on me doing stuff like this, please leave me a comment and a like down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But that's gonna do it there, guys. See you, boys.